My name is Douglas Pitzer, and I'm from here, Roanoke, VA. I would describe poetry as no different than saying like seasoning is the food. It's necessary. It's what really makes it impactful. I feel like poetry is that addition to wordplay that really allows a person to express what they're feeling, which is something that's truly important in today's times. I was first introduced to poetry, it was either my junior or senior year in high school. There was a poem called "I Am Not a Statistic." At the time, I would say there's three types of people. There's who people think you are, there's who you think you are, and there's who you actually are as a person. Something that helped me learn who I truly was reading. And something that I was reading a lot was poetry at the time. And I really internalized a lot of poems such as the If poem, I Am Not a Statistic, and some other poems that just really helped me learn as a person who I truly am. There's a phrase I use that says self-improvement often leads to community development. And I feel there's no way to better improve yourself than to learn more about yourself. And when we think about poetry, that's a vicarious way to relate to other people as well as to showcase or see other people showcasing experiences that you relate to, which helps you learn better. So when people see my words, when people read my words, I'm hoping that it leaves an impact that helps them grow themselves as well as improve the community. I'll now be doing what's called the royalty affirmation. It was created by my mentor, Fletcher Nichols, and it's currently the affirmation for the city of Roanoke. It goes, "My name is Douglas Pitzer, and I'm an extraordinary individual, created and designed for success. I believe that everyone who existed before me existed for me, and I owe them the honor of being the best that I can be at all times. Therefore, I will always honor and respect my elders. I will protect and become an example for those younger than me. And I will always cultivate a good reputation amongst all men. For I am talented, skilled, and intelligent. And with hard work and discipline, I know that I can accomplish great things because I am royalty." Thank you.